In this video, I'm going to show you how to get nothing widget on Xiaomi Redmi phones. Open the Google, search here nothing adaptive widget. Simply scroll down, tap on APK Vision website, tap on download nothing adaptive widget. Simply close the advertisement, scroll down, tap on download APK again, go back, again skip the advertisement, again tap on download APK. As you can see, downloading is started. Tap on details, downloading is completed. Now tap on the APK file, tap on install, tap on open, tap on install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Now go on home screen, long press on home screen, go in widgets, simply scroll down. As you can see here, custom widget is showing here. Select the size. For example, I am selecting this one. Tap on tick. Now click on widget to set up. Here you get the widgets. For example, I am selecting this one. Tap on save. Now let's check it out. As you can see here, nothing widget is showing here. So this is how you can get nothing widgets on Xiaomi Redmi phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.